Hi everyone, welcome to the next video. Today we are going to review the Honor 8X. This phone comes with a 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, and currently this one is coming with a black color, but you can get on a different colors. Let's open it. So inside box you will get first the phone. We're gonna put this one aside and we will check what else we have inside. Beside the phone you will get here the cover. Okay, it is a transparent cover which comes along with the phone and the user manual. We'll put this aside. Inside the box, as you can see, you will get the adapter. Inside you will get the adapter with the USB and one power cable that it comes with a USB and micro USB. Okay, there's no type C. And the next you will get your original Huawei earbuds. Okay, headphones. These headphones you will get. So this is inside the box. Okay, but there is nothing. So we will put this one side. Let's come to the phone. So this is a black color Huawei, as you can see, Honor 8X. So what we have, we will get on a button here, on off screen or to shut down. You will get a volume button, up and down. Then you will come up, you will get the mic here. It's a black color. Okay, I don't know if you can see it properly. Here you will get the SIM card. You can put SIM card here, and on the bottom you will get the headphone, speaker, micro USB and microphone. Okay, in the back, in just in here in the middle, you will get a fingerprint. Okay, like you can touch and open it. Okay, here touch and open the screen, and here on the camera you will get two cameras with a flash. Okay, two camera with the flash, and for the phone fingerprint here. Okay, to open the phone. So let's turn it on. So for the first time, every new phone, it will take time to turn it on. Okay, this is a Huawei Honor 8X powered by Android. Okay, the operating system is Android. Now we're gonna check which Android it is: 14, 13, 12. Okay, so it comes like same like App Store. You can download the Google Play Store. You can download any application you want. Just basic thing, choose your language, agree, next. Currently we don't have any SIM card. We will put Wi-Fi later. I will just turn it off, skip. So this is a basic thing, you can just do it to for the first time. Data import, if you want to transfer data you can do it in this, but no, we'll finish. So this phone is the 6 GB RAM. Okay, it's a very lightweight phone. Okay, it's very lightweight, very handy. and the size is perfect. It's not that big, not that small. Okay, mostly it is good for gaming, social media, but I will not recommend it for the heavy duty. Okay, we'll check the camera later. uh, Camera quality is good, not that bad. Okay, but performance is very good because comes with a 6 GB RAM. Okay, yeah, performance is very good. So this is guys, so in the front, as I wanted to mention, so in the front you will get a camera, and that tiny thing is speaker. Okay, that is speaker, tiny speaker you will get. It shows like a stainless steel, you can see it. Okay, that's it. This one stainless steel is a speaker. So you will get your Play Store here. You will get your camera, video mode. You will get portrait. So here mentioned AI camera. Okay, so you can go with AI functions if you want. You have different options. Okay, so this is just a short basic information about the Honor 8X. This is the phone guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like my channel. If you have any doubt, uh, please put a comment. I will respond it fast. Thank you.